Hi, I really want to eat some candy. Do you think you can give me some? Sure thing, Mr. Play-Doh Head. I can give you some candy with this M&M candy dispenser. Whoa, I love M&Ms. What color should I eat first? Let me start off with some red M&Ms. You got it. Let me dispense some red M&Ms for you. Awesome! A surprise toy just popped out. Let's check it out. It's a Disney Cars Mashems. Ooh, we got Jackson Storm. All right, Mr. Play-Doh Head, let's feed you these red M&Ms. I grabbed a handful. Hope this is enough. Actually, let me give you some more. Yum! M&Ms are so good! Mr. Play-Doh Head, what happened to your tooth? Oh my gosh, it turned red! Don't worry about my tooth. Let's just eat more M&Ms. What color should I eat next? Blue M&Ms. Alright, if you say so. Oh, what? Another surprise toy! This M&M dispenser is amazing! Let's check out this Num Nom Series 4. Our num is Sherry Crisp. Here's a closer look at Sherry Crisp. And our nom is Cherry Polish It. Here's a closer look at Cherry Polish It. Oh, what? Only the cap came off. But here's how the red nail polish looks. All right, Mr. Play-Doh Head, let's feed you the blue M&Ms. Don't chew yet. There's still more. Okay, you're good. Oh, the blue color was good too. What color should I eat next? Only 2 colors left. I think I want to eat some green M&Ms. Green M&Ms coming right up. Yes! Another surprise toy! It's a My Mini Mixie surprise toy. Let's find out which characters we got. Start by dressing up this one. This is Boho from the friendly category. She's a true bohemian with an unconventional style and a creative soul. Our next character is Florist from the bubbly category. A bouquet master and a corsage craftswoman. And if we want, we can mix and match. Here's a different boho. And here's a different florist. All right, Mr. Play-Doh Head, here comes your green M&Ms. Let me give you more. And hold on, there's still more. Okay, enjoy. Yum, yum, yum. I love eating candy. Now time to eat the yellow M&Ms. Yellow M&Ms coming right up. Thank you, M&M Dispenser. Another surprise toy. This time we got an Avengers Mashrooms. We got Thor. What's up with this helmet though? It's all bent. Are you ready for the yellow M&Ms, Mr. Play-Doh Head? Here's a handful. Let me give you some more. Eating all that candy sure hit the spot. Thank you for feeding me all that candy. It was really, really good. Wait, hold on, Mr. Play-Doh Head. Can I see your mouth? Whoa, look at your teeth. I need to take you to a dentist right away. Okay, can you open your mouth for me, please? All right, let's do an examination. Start by checking each tooth. This one needs to be replaced. This one's good. This one has to be replaced too. And this one's okay. Now let's check the bottom. This one's good. This one's good too. Uh-oh, we need to replace this one. This one's all right. This one's okay too. But this one needs to go. All right, now that we checked out each tooth, let's pluck out the rotten ones. Remove this yellow one. Remove this red one. Now let's remove this green one. And let's remove this blue one. Alright, now let's make some new teeth. Use white Play-Doh. And here's a brand new front tooth. Now let's make a back tooth. Use white Play-Doh again. And here's one brand new back tooth. Alright, now let's give Mr. Play-Doh Head his new teeth. Here's one. This one will go in the back. That's two. This is three. And here's four. Alright, we're almost done. Now let's do a final check. Okay. Looks good. Everything looks perfect. You're good to go, Mr. Play-Doh Head. Thank you so much for fixing my teeth. I don't know what I would have done without you. No problem. Just take it easy with the candy next time. Hope you had fun with Mr. Play-Doh Head today. Be sure to hit that subscribe button for more awesome videos. See ya!